For a significant amount of work on that vaccine is being done right here in North Alabama. With the enrollment period for clinical trials of a coronavirus vaccine nearing an end, one North Alabama research group is still encouraging people to take part in helping make medical history.
Way 31's Max Cohan joins us live outside of the North Alabama Research Center. He learned more about the future of the trials. Max.
Right behind me, clinical trials for Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine are ongoing. Though enrollment is set to end once 30,000 participants are found, the center tells me it received an update from Pfizer about an hour ago telling them to stop recruitment outside of high-risk frontline workers and minorities, specifically African Americans, groups they need to see more of.
Absolutely, because there's a chance that it could be extended if there's not enough response in certain demographics, etc. Then they may continue enrolling beyond what they initially projected.
Clinical trial testing has been underway at the North Alabama Research Center in Athens for just about a month, with nearly 250 people taking part in the study here to test the safety and effectiveness of Pfizer's vaccine. Pharmacist David Pryor says the center has seen a diverse group of volunteers from all over the region.
We've had people come from Mississippi. One gentleman drove from Jackson, Mississippi, Tennessee, Florida, Gulf Shores. We've had a lot of participation.
Strong participation has kept them busy, working 6 days a week and often seeing more than a dozen volunteers each day.
They realize that pandemics, they happen once every 100 years or so, thankfully, and they see an opportunity to participate in a historic occasion to try to stop this current pandemic.
But with clinical trials seemingly nearing an end, Pryor says they'd like to test as many people as they can to do their part in finding a potential solution to a, quote, terrible situation. At the end of the day, the goal is to have the trials draw to a close so the vaccine can be mass-produced. But collecting data is the only way to get there.
Once we get to a certain point with that, statistically, they'll convert it and move on to mass production.
Right now, the center is still looking for at least 50 volunteers between the ages of 19 and 85, still emphasizing the importance of diversity. Reporting live in Athens, Max Cohan, Way 31 News.
Thanks, Max. The group's Huntsville Center, medical affiliated research, is also still enrolling clinical trial volunteers. To learn how you could volunteer, go to our website, waytv.com, and click on this story.